So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Got your model number and serial number right here. If you'd like to register this, you can go to bradfordwhite.com. Give them the serial number and, of course, all of your contact information and whatnot. They'll get your warranty going in this water heater. It's 6 years tank, or 6 years parts and 1 year labor. So for 6 years, they'll cover parts. First year, they'll pay for the plumber to come out and work on it. Up top, we have 2 brand new shutoff valves. Those are Watts valves, quarter turn. So quarter turn on, quarter turn off. And then in front of that, brass, little piece of brass pipe, brass nipples in there. Falcon stainless steel connector down to brass extensions on both sides. And we give you 2 valves, they're not required, but you've got a big house and lots of water going in different directions. So what we like to do is get 2 valves on, shut it down, and turn the house water back on. And we're not worried about running into water spitting back out through the hot side while we're working on it. Tied back into the existing relief line, Falcon stainless steel connector. These are full 3/4 inch inside diameter, so that's code. Back up to the temperature and pressure relief valve. Upper third we got a strap, lower third we got a strap, and then down here, brand new gas shutoff valve right there, and brand new connector, 24 inch. And right now you are set to approximately 120 degrees, so that's perfect for most cases. Over here, we took this apart, showed the homeowner when we had a hold of this plumbing before. You could grab this and you could move this whole thing back and forth. So that 90 was spinning in the wall. So they asked us to take this all apart, which we did. Pulled this all out, pipe in the wall, new Teflon tape, pipe dope, and screwed it all back in. Took it about another full turn. Now it's nice and tight. Put it back together. This pipe was sticking way out here. So what we did is we tucked it in back there. We needed something long enough to reach for our supply line, but it was sticking out to the end of the platform about 24 inches out, so that's good. The valve was installed, and this is not our water heater over this tank, this is not ours, but this valve was installed over here, which is backwards. If you ever want to work on this and take it apart, you need to be able to shut it off here, and then you just disconnect the flexible supply line, and you're free to change the unit, do whatever you need to. So we changed that for you. Got your supply line tied back in, gas tested all of this with our little sensor, and then this condensate line was not glued here or here, so we put glue on it. This is screwed on up top, so that's fine, but this here, there was no glue. We just pulled this out, and so we put that all back together for you. There's a little charge for that, but I'd say, use this thing, see how it works. You ever start having trouble with it, give us a holler. They left a lot of old components in place, like the water lines and the shutoff valve up there. And but anyways, this thing will fire at 110. You should be fine. It's just a master bath, a laundry, and a kitchen. But anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.